Hey spooky friends, it's nearly Halloween. Today I'm making these super cute glow-in-the-dark Halloween cat necklaces. They're perfect for trick-or-treating parties or just adding a little magic to your Halloween look. So stick around and I'll show you how I make these necklaces. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Lots of people are subscribing but not hitting that notification bell. If you don't click the notification bell, you will not know when I next upload some perfect jewelry tutorials. So these are the cute kitties. Look at them. I have them in clear, green, pink and purple. If I hold them under the light, can you see how they glow? The only trouble is the purple ones don't have a great glow to them. Best is the green. If you want to buy these, green are better. Obviously, the longer that you leave it under a light, the stronger it gets. But I have found that the purple are not that great. Obviously it's not completely dark in here. As you can see, the purple are not fantastic. I'm going to do these with, this is an 18-inch silver necklace chain. They are not ultra fine, but the majority of people wearing these necklaces are going to be children, and although I will put it in my description, it's not for young children, you have got to be aware of there is a strangulation risk. So these are 18 inches, so it's not going to be tight around the neck, and likewise with these. I'm just thinking of health and safety, so it doesn't matter what disclaimers you put on your listings. People don't read them. You've really got to think of this when obviously lots of you make jewellery, so you do have to think about young children. I am not going to aim these for under 5 years old, and I am going to say that adult supervision is required at all times. So with my health and safety speech out of the way, these are the cat charms. They are so cute. They are so cute, and these are the brightest. I have lots of green, so I would go for green. I would definitely go for green. You know, you may have a, even if I hold that under the light, it's, yeah, they're not great. I mean, you could still have them as a necklace. You could still have them as a necklace, but I will show in my photos that they don't glow very well. Now I've got some 6mm silver plated jump rings. I've got my pliers. I've got lots of tutorials I'm hoping to plan today. Now, although these are glow in the dark, I have some fantastic glow in the dark stingray pendants. I saw them. Honestly, I don't know if they will sell, but I saw them and I just had to buy them. So there's going to be a tutorial for that. I've got some lovely heart pendants, Be Mine and XOXO. So that's going to make some fantastic necklaces. Those are going to be great for Valentine's Day, but not just for Valentine's Day. So let me just grab one of these jump rings. Make sure they're together, otherwise you'll have an unhappy child. Are you having a Halloween party? Are you making anything for Halloween? Do let me know in the comments below. I really do love to know what you're making. So there we have a green. Okay. going to clear. All the supplies are available on my website, which I'll link below for you. So I'm going to do a clear. I'm really debating whether to use those purple ones now. I'll just make one, but don't put them up for sale. So it's Saturday today. What are you all doing today? Or whatever day you're watching this video on. Let me know in the comments below, because I'm nosy. Let me know how you are. I love getting to know you all. I think I will make a purple one. Just for the, yeah, I'll do a purple one, but I'm really not happy with the purple. So as you can see, these are so easy to make. And then you can add your packaging. Mine, I've got spooky stickers I'm going to add in as well. So that's the 4 colours that we've got available. So I'll have to put those underneath the light. But those are new. I'm a bit late in making these, to be honest. Do check out my Halloween bead mix. I still have lots left. It's very popular. And I've also got some bracelets that I've made using the bead mix, so you can see what you can make. It comes with elastic as well. It will keep yourselves or your children or grandchildren very happy. Obviously adult supervision needed. So remember to like the video, leave a comment down below. It just helps the YouTube algorithm see the interaction and they share my videos out to more people. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.